Gentlemen, welcome to the dark alleyway that is work. Today we've got a special treat. We're going to have to replace the marker indicator lights in a North American spec Ford Transit. Part number right there for you. Unfortunately, the Instagram fix of just simply throwing something at it and the magic happening, that don't work here in the frozen hellhole of communist America. So we've got to use our brain and some tools. Right, so the tool you're going to need is a simple T-250. What's really cool is that someone's already done the big scary part, and that's using our brain, because apparently here in Canada we don't use our brain. You can finagle back here with your arm and your hand and that, but we are an evolved species. We use tools and grunts. We don't need to draw blood, because we don't put our blood, sweat, and tears in anything anymore. You've got a T-250 here. You've got one screw there, and you've got one tucked up over here. Now this is where things can get a little scary. Come on. Come on. There we go. Push it out. It simply pops out, which is pretty freaking cool, right? You can replace whatever bulb you want. It doesn't take rocket appliances to do it. Just, undo the clips and use your brain. It's quite impressive, actually. What we're going to focus on is over here. This right here is your adjuster for angle of the dangle. Don't worry about that. So crouching down here like you're scolding your toddler, you see this little tab here? Push in and pull out. Just like that. And then twist counterclockwise and yoink. There you go. Look at that. Yum. It's not meant to be chrome.
Everything is chrome in the future.
It's at this point where you recess is over. It's at this point you take all your knowledge given from everywhere online and you chuck it in the bucket that is not to be named. Out with the old, in with the new, and that just kerclunk like that. Polarity doesn't matter. It's a incandescent bulb. Power's going through it one way or another. It doesn't care. And then repeat what you did to get in here. And I'm not going to bother showing you the other side, because if you can't do it once, then why can you do it twice? You'll see this big dingus here. That keys in down here. All right. You can do it blind in the night. It's fine. Ain't no thing. And then get the tabs roughly lined up and wah! Use your Molson muscle and full send her home. Don't be afraid to muscle it around a little bit. You think these things were put together with care somewhere in America or Portugal, wherever they're from? These are assembled by the hundreds in a day. You think these are assembled in some kind of clean room laboratory? No. This isn't a BMW. Hold on there, partner. I know I told you it'd mess off once I did the first one, because if I can't show you once, then you can't do it twice. But check it this. This is what it must be like working on an Audi product. You gotta remove the headlight to get to the engine harness and the coolant stuff. But it's easy. Just ignore that we're low on coolant. It's okay. It's a Ford. It does that. It's okay. It's not a Subaru. It's a Ford. All right, get out of here. Scram.